Using Luma AI's Dream Machine in order to create interesting videos, such as this or this animated cat here. I'm going to show you the procedure or my recommendation how to do it. And at the end we will have a new video which we will see. We start out using ChatGPT, and the reason for this is that it will be able to create images for us. These images will allow the video to be a much higher quality than if you were to ask Luma AI to generate the entire video for you. In this case, I asked ChatGPT to generate an image of an Arabian princess drawing from an animated movie. It generated me this picture. Now keep in mind that I am able to have the same context, and while I'm in the context I can actually request the same character to be dressed differently, for example, or to perform something different. The prompt for this would be create an additional version for me which shows this princess in a predominantly golden dress. So this first image is modified. Then I download and drag the created images into Dream Machine. Notice if I drag the image in here that an end frame appears. Let's click the arrow. Then we can drag in another image into the start frame. And now we can switch them again. Let's add a prompt here. I'm going to try show swirling magical transformation into the new dress color involving a genie in front of a princess. Note that here enhance prompt is added. This is recommended when you're working with Dream Machine. This will add additional text to your prompt. I'm going to click on the arrow to submit our instructions to Dream Machine and to start the dreaming. Now this new field has appeared and it says that it's in a queue, so you can wait for a bit. You can go and get a coffee, but for this video purposes I'm going to cut it shorter and show you the result. In this video, while we're waiting for it to create the final result, as you see it now switch to dreaming, I want to point out that at the end of the video I'm going to show you some other different results I've had and why I recommend actually to use ChatGPT generated images to get better results. Because the first tests I did with the Dream Machine were directly text only, and I feel the quality was lower. The result is here, and if we mouse over the image we actually can see the video play. There's also the possibility to click into it to see it in a bigger screen excerpt. As you see, the princess was animated. The dress does change, however, the magic is a little bit less than expected. But still, here is our very first animation with 2 frames, 1 start frame and 1 end frame. And if you want to continue and use this video, you can click on download here, which will download an MP4 file for you, which you can continue to use. As promised, I'll go back and show some of the other videos. This was the first video which I created with this idea of a friendly therapist staying calm amongst a hurricane, explaining how life is a spoon to a young attractive woman with brunette hair. I feel in this particular bit that there's more artifacts, and also that the therapist is basically just a static image. This was an experiment with extending the previous video. That's an option which Luma gives to you. So you can extend based on the previous video and have additional text. Although here it also didn't do what I was instructing it to. In this case, I used again a ChatGPT generated image of a cat who is friendly and strict on the phone. This was a real cat, which was animated. Actually, of all the animations done by Dream Machine so far, I feel this is the best, even if though a paw is missing of a cat. This is the most dynamic and interesting one. This was a previous experiment, and this is the result you've seen in this video. Comment below what you would like to experiment with Dream Machine. I have access to a pro account on Dream Machine because I thought it's interesting enough, and I'll do more videos on this so I can try some of these ideas. Thank you for watching.